Welcome to the update video of my Clematis, which I transplanted to this much larger pot about 2 months ago. And this is a really good size plastic pot, very hard, very tough plastic, but it is a light coloured plastic, so it doesn't absorb the heat, so it keeps the roots cool. Now you'll probably also notice that there are some other additions to this pot, and I have planted 3 sweet peas in the pot because I want the flowers from the sweet peas to droop down and kind of conceal the pot slightly. And this is what I got. It's Mr. Fothergill's sweet pea patio mixed, and these sweet peas, they don't climb, they just droop down, and they should also help to keep the clematis roots cool. It's sometimes it's a good idea to have plants at the base just to shield it from the sun. So without further ado, I'll show you the whole of the clematis. The other thing you need to watch out for with clematis is the dreaded aphids, and I have had a few aphids on this, and what I do is I just squeeze them off the stems, off the new buds with my finger and thumb, but you can get sprays to deal with them as well. But it's worth just checking every few days on your clematis plants, especially where there's new fresh buds, because they're like the new succulent buds. And in fact, if I look here now on this stem here, and if you haven't got a major problem, if you've only got a few, very carefully without damaging the bud, you can wipe them off like that. And it's just worth having a check over the plant and any new buds to see if you've got any problem with these aphids. And mine doesn't look too bad. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please thumbs it up, share and subscribe for a lot more content to come. And thanks for watching.